have a really fun, kid-friendly DIY to make a Mother's Day gift using washi tape. All you'll need is a frame, some scissors or a paper cutter, some cardstock, and of course, a variety of washi tape that allows your kiddo to express their personality. You're going to start with your cardstock and you're just going to print a really inexpensive copy of the photo to use as a template to mark your washi tape. Now, this is the best part. Allow your kids to really get involved in this process because honestly, the organic tears and if the washi tape overlaps, it only adds to that little artistic quality. So this really is a kid-friendly option. And with all the colors and patterns, the kiddos can really show their personality here. They can do rainbow. The sky is the limit. Then you're going to take your print, lay it on top of your washi, make sure that it covers all the way around so that your picture will fall on the washi. And then all you're going to do is you're going to take that cardstock and you're going to run it directly through your printer. And it will come out looking just like this. How cool is that? Now you're going to want to give it a few minutes to dry, and then you're just going to take your frame, mark your corners, and then we're going to cut it to size to fit the frame of your choice. Now, depending on your kid's age, you might want to help them here with scissors and a paper cutter. I'm just going to cut it real quick with my paper cutter because I have this handy, but you're just going to cut that down to size however you want to do that. And then you simply are going to pop it into the frame. It is that simple, and it's a really fun way for the kiddos to choose the photo, choose the washi tape, and really create something for mom that's special that they can put their own personal touch. And then you can grab a Sharpie, let them sign their name right on top of the photo, and it really makes a great Mother's Day gift that they made. You can also use the same technique to make a Mother's Day card. Do the exact same thing, just put it on a half sheet and run it through your printer. This technique could be used in all sorts of crafts as well. So I hope you found this DIY helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more washi tips, tricks, and DIYs.